I am Vipul from Workmate. We are into business of protecting lives at workplace by providing quality safety equipments and personal protective equipments. We are into this business since 2008 and we are based out of Hyderabad and exclusively dealing with brands such as Black& Decker, then Jama safety shoes. Then we are also having distribution for rider safety shoes and torpedo safety shoes. So then coming to the product line, the safety issues, we are having products from BIS approved, that is IS 15298 Part 2 2016 as the standards. We have got single density, double density. We are catering extensively to the pharmaceutical industry in and around Hyderabad region as well as to the trading market also. And then we also have hand protection range, exclusive head protection range from Black& Decker. Then you also have gloves. We have specialized gloves for applications such as anti-vibration, impact protection, things on those lines.